Hi, welcome to CK Invest channel. Today we deep down through 9 to 5, how to escape the 9 to 5 trap in 2026, and we came up with a super solid solution about it. Now get your snacks or soft drink and get ready. But before we start, subscribe, like, and share to support our channel for more insights and life-changing skills about finance. Now, let's get started. What if I told you that right now there are people making money while they sleep, while they watch Netflix, while they do absolutely nothing? And no, they're not lucky, they're not special, and they didn't get rich overnight. They just understand something that most 9 to 5 workers don't. They stopped trading time for money. Now, let me ask you something. If you stopped working today, how long would your income survive? A week? A month? Maybe not even that. And that's the real trap, because a 9 to 5 job doesn't just pay you, it controls you, your time, your energy, your freedom. And in 2026, that system is becoming more dangerous than ever. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to escape the 9 to 5 trap using passive income. No fake guru advice, no get rich quick nonsense, just real strategies that actually work. But be careful, because once you understand this, you can't go back to thinking the same way again. Let's talk about James. James wakes up at 6:30 every morning. He hits snooze twice. He drags himself out of bed, gets ready, rushes into traffic, and sits in an office for 8 hours. At the end of the month, he gets paid. And for a moment, it feels good. But then reality hits. Rent, bills, food, transport. And just like that, his money is gone. So he goes back to work. Again, and again, and again. Year after year. Now here's the scary part. James isn't doing anything wrong. He's doing exactly what he was taught. Go to school, get a job, work hard. But nobody told him that this path doesn't lead to freedom. It leads to dependence. And millions of people are living the exact same life. Maybe even you. Let's break something down. There are only two ways to make money. 1. Active income. You work, you get paid. 2. Passive income. You build, you get paid repeatedly. Most people stay stuck in the first one forever. Why? Because it feels safe. But safety is often the biggest risk, because if your income depends on your time, you will always be limited. There are only 24 hours in a day, and you can only work so much. But passive income has no limit. That's how people scale. That's how people escape. That's how people become free. Mindset breakdown. Now, let's destroy a myth. Passive income is not easy. In fact, it's harder than a job in the beginning because no one tells you what to do. No one pays you immediately. No one guarantees success. You're building something from nothing, and that's uncomfortable. Most people quit here, but the few who don't, they win because they understand this. You work hard once or work forever. Choose your path. Let's get practical. There are 3 realistic paths in 2026. Path number 1, content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You create content and earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links. At first, you make nothing, but over time, one video can pay you for years. Path number 2, digital products, ebooks, courses, templates. You create it once and sell it infinitely. No inventory, no shipping, just pure leverage. Path number 3, investments, stocks, index funds, dividends. This is slower but powerful. Your money works for you. If you're starting from zero, start with content creation because it builds skills and income. Step 2, build skill stack. Here's the truth. Money follows skill. Not luck, not motivation. Skill. Focus on storytelling, editing, marketing, communication. You don't need all at once. Start with one. Master it, then stack others. This is how you become valuable. Step 3. Create leverage. Let me show you something powerful. You can work 1 hour and get paid once, or you can work 1 hour and get paid forever. That's leverage. Examples: a video earns ads daily, a product sells repeatedly, a blog brings traffic forever. The goal is simple: create assets, not tasks. Step 4. Systemize. Once things start working, you build systems: content schedule, automation tools, outsourcing. Now you're not just earning, you're scaling. Step 5. Reinvest. Most people make money and upgrade their lifestyle. Smart people, though, they upgrade their assets: better tools, better skills, better opportunities. That's how income grows. Reality check. Let's be honest, this won't happen overnight. You'll feel doubt, frustration, slow progress. But that's normal because success is delayed. If you stay consistent, you will win. Action plan. Here's your roadmap. Day 1. Choose a path. Week 1. Learn skill. Month 1. Start creating. Month 3. Improve. Month 6. Scale. Simple, not easy, but life-changing. The 9 to 5 isn't evil, but it's not freedom. If you want freedom, you must build something that works without you. So start today, because 1 year from now, you'll either wish you started or be glad you did. For more videos, remember to subscribe.